So last night we tried to fire up the generator and it would not start. The little oil light came on, but the oil was full. So I did some looking around online, and people are saying that the oil sensor goes bad. So the quick fix is just to unplug it. We're out boondocking. It's literally a 45-minute drive to the nearest Harbor Freight to try to swap it out. And then I'm dealing with prepping a whole new generator, which I'd rather not do if I could avoid it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to just disable that sensor and see if that fixes it. So yeah, now since I'm already messing with it, I took the back panel off because we're gonna go ahead and check the resistor here on the back, clean that off while we got it open. I didn't really need to take this side off, but I wanted to see what it looked like in there, so I did. Next step, we gotta pull these two screws and the two on top here so we can access this side panel there. Alright, so we removed two screws here. We removed 2 screws on top. And we removed the 3 10mm bolts off the bottom. Now this is just gonna pull away just like that. That little green plug, that is our oil sensor. So we're just gonna disconnect that. You see down in there, we went ahead and disconnected it. Now let's see if that fixes it. Alright, so we took off our spark resistor thing. This thing basically is supposed to prevent sparks, which in turn would prevent a fire. Mine's actually still very clean, so we're gonna throw that back on there and then put this all back together and see if it worked. Alright, moment of truth. If it fires up, I'm a hero. If it doesn't, then I take it all back apart again, connect that again, and then the long drive to town. Are you shitting me? What the hell? It's still saying low oil. Maybe I disconnected the wrong green wire? Come on, man. So disabling the oil sensor did not work. Next we're going to try changing the oil on it and see if that works. If that doesn't work, we don't have a plan C. So we could never get the Predator running today. So I drove an hour back to town to take it back. And there's still a little bit of fuel left in the tank, so they would not return it. So we still have it. But I did go and get the new Honda generator. So that one's fired right up. We're going to do a video before we leave here comparing the two. Because first impressions, I should have went with the Honda originally. It just makes more sense. And I'll explain that more in a comparison. But we should have power tonight. Thank God. Just gonna finish draining the fuel out of that. Then we'll put that away. I'm tired. Stressful day.